Hey, this is Mohammed from dropshipfusion.com. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can put your design and list item manually on your website. As I mentioned on the first video that you saw, that our app is not ready yet. So when our app going to be ready, we should be able to automate everything that you're seeing right now. But till then, you just have to use our template to put the design on these items that's print on demand if you want to sell them on your website, and you have to list them manually. And once you get the order, you have to place them using our website for now. We should be able to get done with our app within 3 months if there is no bugs. If there is some issues and stuff, maybe it will take 4 months, but by then once we build the app, you should be able to automate everything. But till then, you just have to use our site in order to customize your item. So for example, I'm just going to take this item, and every single item comes with two things: a PSD file and the product image. So I'm going to show you how to use each one of them. Now, our PSD file we tested from our side. If you have any issue with our PSD file, make sure to message us on our Facebook group. That way we can take a look at it and we can fix it, and we can re-upload this PSD file for you in order to make sure that everything is right. There is no issue on your side, and you are able to sell this item on your website with an ease. All right, so you can download this PSD file by clicking on direct download, and once you download it, you have to have Adobe Photoshop in order to open this, right? So I'm going to show you after opening it what to do. So this is a template, right? In this template, you don't see any design because we hide the design. If you click on this eye icon, you should be able to see the design right here, right? Now, you have to put the design here, and if you are not technical enough, you can hire a designer who's gonna do this watch design for you. And we have the template that you can hand over to your designer, who can do everything for you basically. Okay, and when you are doing the design, always ask them for two things, three things. You want them to do the design, you want them to send you the .psd file, .png file, and .ai file for the same design. You only need the .png file and .ai file. You mainly need the .ai file because when you place the order with us, we definitely need the .ai file because our machine is a laser engraved machine. So when we use PNG file in our laser engraved machine, it does not pick up the fonts and the style the correct way, and sometimes you have to stretch it, sometimes you have to adjust the design. So that's why we definitely need the .ai file when you place the order with us. Okay, so definitely ask that to your designer. Your designer should be able to do it. Whoever the designer is, they should be able to do it. I hired a designer um, for a while, since 2016, and if you want me to share my resources and my group's resources, we can definitely do that. But whoever you're working with, whoever you're hiring from Fiverr, make sure you tell them that you need all three format of the file. Okay, so let's say if you wanna change the design and you wanna put something else here, you just have to double click on this small icon here twice, and it's gonna open the design. Now, in this design, there is two things. The first, there is a guide, and the second, there is a design, basically. Now, let's say if you want to do the design, they can use this guide to do the design, to adjust the design on the on the back of the watch. Every single template has it, so you don't have to have like two files in order to do the design at once and then put the image manually on the item. Once you do the design here, basically, once your designer do the design, they should be able to put the design from here to the watch directly, and I'm going to show you how. And you are more than welcome to give this design to your designer if he uh, is looking for some sort of guide of how to use it, basically. So this is a design that I have that I made for a necklace in the past that I sold. Now, once you put the design right here, uh, always try to make the design a little bit smaller than what the edges are, because we have screws in 4 different places on the edge. So we don't want to, cross the design within the screws. When you send the .ai file to us, we will make sure the same thing. Basically, we don't want to put any design on the top of the screws. So if you want to make this design a little bit more smaller, all you have to do is hit the shift icon and make it just a little bit more smaller. Okay, and then push it up and just make sure it's in the middle. And after you do that, all you have to do is hit this icon right here and make this template invisible. So that way this white layer not going to show um, in your on the design when you save it. So after you put the design, let's say this is the design that you have, all you have to do is hit file and then click save. And once you do that, this design going to be put on the top of the template automatically. And let's go back to the design. You see right here how perfectly this design was put on the top of this template. So this is what you have to do. Every single template that we provide to you have these two layers. The first layer is right here. You just have to double click it, and this will open up the canvas where you have to do the design and where you have to put the design. And after you do the design, you just have to save the design and it's going to put the design automatically for you, so you don't have to do the manual work of doing the design at once and then putting the design on every single one of the item. We gave you the PSD file to minimize your work. And once this design is done, you just have to click on file and you just have to save it as a dot. I usually save it as .jpeg. You can save it as .png. It really doesn't matter. .png file basically on your desktop. So that way you should be able to use that file to manually add the item in your add the product on your store. Now I'm going to show you how you have to add the product in your store, right? So I'm in the back of my store right here, and I'm just going to click on it right here. And after I click on it, I'm going to go to the products. So in order to add the items, you're not going to be able to add the item with one picture, right? You need additional picture to add the item, right? You can go to this. You can just open this folder right here, and all you have to do is just double click it. Usually I don't double click it. I'm just going to go back to this right here. Let's go back right here. Watch zip right here. Let's go to the zip right here. Just gonna hit download from here to here. So that way you should be able to download the folder. Okay, I'm gonna hit download and I'm gonna unzip it. So after I unzip it, I'm gonna add this item to my store, and you should be able to add it on your store following my guideline, since it's not automated, it's manual right now. So first I'm just gonna put a title right here. So it's a fire it's a fireman engraved wooden watch. Engraved wooden watch. I usually put the color yellow and black. Band, right? So every single one of the item that you sell is very high quality, and we tested lots of it basically, right? So we don't give you the description. You can use the description that we provide right here, but we would ask you to add your own description. If you want to add something like perfect for any kind of situation, blah blah blah, you can do all of that. I'm just going to use this standard text that I provided right here. I definitely prefer you to put something that's related to your niche, because your copy sells. Usually I put like 3 bullets that says like it's perfect for any kind of occasion. This comes with a very durable product, and usually we give a 30 days manufacturer warranty if there is any defect. If they break it themselves, that's not a manufacturer defect. But if there is any manufacturer defect, we give them 30 days warranty. If there is any issue with the watch after 30 days, within 30 days, we will change it for them for free. But if it's something like they broke the band or something like that, then we won't be able to do that. So you just have to paste it right here. You can keep the expected processing and delivery time all in here, like the way we give you, basically, including the note itself, right? First, now you have to add the picture from your desktop right here. That's the first picture. Now you want to add additional picture that you just downloaded from our website, and here are all the pictures basically, so they can actually see how the item looks. Usually this product usually goes for, I want to show you, wooden watch, right? If you go and if you search for it, usually a similar kind of product goes for 69 bucks right here. You can see similar kind of watches goes for $79. This item goes for $105. This item goes for 53 bucks, right? So as you can see, these are very, you can sell this, you only pay us $22, and the shipping cost you can see on the checkout, which is around $4.49 for the POD items. So you're paying us 26 bucks, but you can sell them for like triple of its price, like 50, 60, $70. This person is selling it for 50 bucks. You can definitely sell it for more than 50 bucks. As you can see, this item can go for up to like $70 or $80, right? So you can scale it up, and we are providing way faster shipping than these people. They are not, shipping it from USA. Probably they're just drop shipping the same item from China. So if you're selling item on USA and you're shipping it with us, your customer gonna get that item within uh 7 to 10 business days. And every single one of our watch comes with a very nice gift box, because we know that most of our customers are buying it as a gift. So we usually include the gift box picture right here, so you can have all this picture on your listing right here. And then I personally sell it for like around $65 basically. But if you 65 bucks in our website, because these are very high quality, and some people sell it for $105, as you saw on the other picture. So you can compare the price with $105 if you would like. Charge taxes, it's on you. If you want to charge taxes. You don't need to track quality. If you are doing weight-based shipment, or if you are providing free shipping, you can adjust it on your own. I usually recommend everybody to go with the free shipping, because that way you can sell your item faster. And these are like every single item that is sold, that we're selling on POD. Basically every single POD item that we're selling is sold by 20 sellers who have 5-6 figure businesses, uh, who's selling on who's selling the item on Shopify and drop shipping with us for quite a while now, basically. So these are like proven product that sells. We also provide you with the option to charge more for the back end engraving. We can do back end engraving for you guys. So it's not only the front end engraving, we also provide you with the back end engraving option. For the necklaces, for the watch, we can only engrave in the back. So we give you lots of options, and the lots of item gonna come in near future. So after you add all the picture right here, all you have to do is click the save button, and your product is live on your store, right? And once we have the app, everything gonna be automated. But for now, this is how the product gonna look, right? You have the product buy now button, add to cart button, and people gonna see high quality picture. They can see exactly how the watch look and how the design look, and you should be able to make a lots of profit out of it, because you are out like $26 before the advertisement. So you have more than like double amount of the money to advertise to acquire a customer. And that's what we've been doing with all our products. You can sell every single one of our product with 100% profit margin, or 200% profit margin in most cases. We kept the pricing smaller, and we are doing this because we want to make sure that you are getting this item faster to your customer. So hope this makes sense. If you have any question about any of that, if any of the template is not working, if something is broken, always send us a message on the Facebook group. If you have a request for a custom item, basically that you want us to build, or if you want us to source the item, make sure to hit this contact now icon to submit your request. We are here all the time to make sure that we take care of our customer at all time. So hope this made sense. If you need any other videos for any other product, if anything is broken, make sure to hit us up on the Facebook group.